Hi guys, I'm just doing a super quick rundown on Flipgrid. So when you go to flipgrid.com, click Educator Login. Mine logged me in automatically, but you can just say log in with Google and use your name and it gets you in. When you come in, you'll come to the My Grids page. This is the most important part of all of it. Yours will show 0 grids. So you just click Add New. And once you're in the Add New, you could just click it to say, oops, hold on, somehow I lost that. Click it to say your name of the class or your teacher name. If you're doing this for school, you're going to do the school email. We did it something for church, so we just did it as a community, and then you can set up a password. So that's something kind of to think of for other projects. But for right now, you're just choosing school email. And then next. You can just leave it like this. It changes and it finds and it knows your email address, so it copies it to say everybody else's email address to be like yours. Okay, now you want to go straight to the grid. Okay, so now that you're in the grid, oh look, I forgot to change the name. Oh well. Now that you're in the grid, it has set up one assignment for you. So this Say Hello assignment is already there. If you want them to do that Say Hello assignment as a practice, it is an excellent practice. All they're going to do is go in, they'll see that the directions are to say a fun fact about, say their name and say a fun fact about themselves. It is a good way to practice. But then if you want to have them reading their story, then you're going to go to add a new topic and we're going to say read fantasy story. If you want to add directions, spend 1 or 2 minutes reading your story out loud in front of your computer. Practice if you want to. For reading a story, I might up the time limit to like 2 minutes, maybe even 2 minutes and 30 seconds, depending on how long you think it's going to take them. For this particular assignment, since it's the first one, I would click yes to the video moderation. This means that nobody else can see the video until you approve the video. In 5th grade and in some assignments, we don't click that. We've started to trust them to just have their quick exit ticket and that they just keep going without us. So you can add in some pictures or add in some fun videos if you want, and then hit create topic. Uh-oh, what'd I forget? Oh, directions. I can delete all this later. Create topic. Now, this code you can share with your class if you want them to just go straight to that reading the story assignment. Or you can go back into My Grids, take this, and from the rocket ship, hit share and share that code with them as well. And that brings them right into that grid where they can see everything for their assignments. So we have been doing this at my church, and so we've had kids of all different ages participate, and it's actually been really cool and really fun. I did have to help my kindergartner, but Nora did hers all on her own, which was actually very cool.
Hi, I'm Nora, and I like to boogie board at Cape Cod.
So good luck. I hope this helps and have a great day.